I scored 50 out of 50 in SSC CGL Reasoning with just a few days of preparation. Promise, PYQs plus mock tests plus execution strategy. Result: students can realistically push reasoning scores much higher. SSC CGL 2026 aspirants, give me just 5 minutes. If your reasoning score is stuck around 20 to 30 marks, this video can genuinely change that. I scored 50 marks in reasoning using a very simple strategy that can be completed in just 2 to 3 days. And the best part, all resources and mock tests I'm going to share are completely free. Build curiosity. Most students make one mistake. They keep watching dozens of lectures but solve very few actual SSC questions. The strategy I'm sharing today is the exact opposite. No unnecessary theory, no endless lectures, just PYQs, mocks, and execution. First, complete SSC CGL Reasoning PYQs. I recommend watching a complete PYQ solution marathon that covers all shifts. Don't try to watch every minute of the lecture. Your goal is understand the concept, learn the shortcut, solve along with the teacher. If a topic feels easy, skip ahead. Focus only on questions. For the previous year, SSC CGL 2025, prelims all 36 shifts, reasoning paper with solution. The video link is available in the description. Step 2. Active practice. Now comes the most important step. After completing a few PYQ papers, stop watching the video, open a fresh SSC shift paper, and solve it yourself. Don't look at solutions immediately. Attempt the complete reasoning section first. Only after finishing should you check the answers. For the previous year, SSC CGL 2025 shift paper, the PDF is present in the link provided below. Step 3. Mock test phase 3 to 4 minutes. Once you've completed PYQs for 2 to 3 days, start giving sectional mock tests. This is where your score actually improves. Give multiple reasoning mocks under a timer. Analyze every mistake. Don't just check your score. Find out why each wrong answer happened. Free resources. For mock tests, you can use Selection Way and Test Ranking, where you can get all the previous year papers freely and you will get complete mock test, sectional mock test, topic test in both TCS and test adequacy format. Textbook, Olive Board, ADA 247. And for free ranking comparison, use available SSC mock platforms. Links will be provided below. Conclusion. If you follow this strategy seriously for just a few days, your reasoning score can improve dramatically. Remember, PYQs first, practice second, mocks third. Don't waste time collecting resources. Master the resources you already have. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe, and share it with an SSC aspirant who needs this strategy.